Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Why was my video late last week and why is it a day late this week? I'll tell you in a second. I did receive a bunch of comments on social media and one here on YouTube, so thank you everybody for continuing to watch. The reason I am late this week is because the last few days I have barely been functional. Yesterday, it's like I couldn't function at all. Just my brain is just absolutely, see, I can't even think of the word for it. It's just my brain is so bogged down. And on top of that, physically, I am so tired I could go back to bed. Last week, the reason the video was late, a couple of things happened between Wednesday and Thursday that just really started this week off badly. I will show you them at the end of the video. The good news is I did have my first appointment with my therapist and I really like her. I am looking forward to having someone to talk to outside of him and my son and my mom and the cats. Saturday it rained. It really wasn't supposed to rain on Saturday, but it did. So of course I took some video of it. That's why there's water drops on the door and there's water falling outside. Never mind. Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday the winds were blowing really, really hard. Avocados everywhere. God, I think our tree is empty. A lot of people that we know got avocados. We have a lot of avocados. That's the good news that came out of all that. Less than an hour after we picked up the avocados, a branch fell off the tree. Avocados. It's a pretty big branch. So that caused a bunch of stress. Right up there. I'm worried that the tree may not survive this. Poor thing. Then Wednesday night, I went outside and I saw that potbelly possum was out there and he had been hurt. Well, I do have video. I have blurred the image some, but it still might be disturbing. Just before you turn off the video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to get notifications, give me a thumbs up, tell me you like what you're seeing. Leave me a comment, question down below. I will answer you. But the injury was so disturbing and we all knew he wasn't going to survive, but there wasn't a humane way of putting him down. It's okay. Oh my God, you're hurt so bad. I don't know what to do for you. And if you really want to see a picture of the injury, I will put it up after this is over. But
I'm sorry,
it is not a pretty picture.
I don't know how to help you. Oh, my sweetheart, I am so sorry. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. I'm not gonna hurt you.
It does make it difficult when I have weeks like this because I can usually offset the good and the bad, say, yeah, it was a pretty good week, because even in the bad things, certain good things happened. But this week, it was just a little, the bad things were just a little bit more jolting. But I do remember that there were good things. Actually, it's raining today. It's raining right now. And rain makes me happy. And then I get sort of bummed because I have no energy to go out and really enjoy the rain. I'll talk to you again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.